Today we're going to pick up where we left off in the last video. What we're going to do is we're going to sort Jack's caliper out. We've actually got the right bit today, and we've also got a few things planned in this video as well. We're going to do some work on a BMW, which you guys will see. Also, make sure you've got your notifications on so you know when we're uploading, which is a little bell icon, and yeah, look out for that Easter egg. Jack's getting his prepping gloves on. He's going to remove this shark fin for us, so we can start wrapping. He's having a roof wrap and mirrors in gloss black. It's quite nice though, actually, isn't it? It's a nice colour. He's got some custom badges on the front. Let me just show you, actually. He's got them on the wheels as well, pretty much the same. See there? Look quite nice, to be fair. 350 sat outside. I just hope it don't rain. It started spotting a little bit. That's why we've covered it with that. And parked Jack's car close to it. So hopefully we don't have no rain. Look how low she is sat there. Look at that. Look at that. Right, so we're going to crack on with this. Yeah, boy. You've actually got to take the shark fin off itself. You've got to unbond it from here. And then there's actually a screw just here. So you have to actually take it off from the top. So if you're doing this for somebody else, make sure you get some 3M tape to stick that shark fin back on. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. Did I get you?
Nearly.
But at least you didn't fucking sand somebody's ear. Hey! Alright, so roof's done, mirror's done. Looks so much better, so much sharper as well. It looks nice with the shark on the top. Being a different colour, it breaks it up a lot. Jack's just putting the roof bars back in, and we're good to go. We're going to obviously give it a good clean around first before we do send it out, but yeah. All gravy, Jackie boy, and then we're going to fix his caliper.
Yeah.
Since we've not got a run-up one anymore.
It's a real, show it.
Sure, yeah, go on, get it. We're going to show you the new one and the old caliper. So, here's the old one. In fact, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to spin you all around. Are you ready for this? Are you ready, guys? Whoa! Right, there's the old one.
Fucked.
Completely seized, knackered. Now show him the new boy. I'm going to follow him, look, since we flipped it round. Look at this. Really? You're making the people wait. La, 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 la.
No Renault.
It's not Renault anymore.
It's a Vauxhall.
Yay! So we're actually going to do that, aren't we, Jack? You ready?
What?
Let's go. Oh, for God's sake. No, you messed it.
I don't get what you're on about.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, fuck's sake. Right. Cut! Jackie boy. This is what we've got to do to get the 350 back in. Yeah, it's just got a flat battery because it's not being moved. So we have to keep. I'm just talking to people.
Okay.
The people, Jack. The people. So yeah, we've got to keep basically just jump starting it for now. We're probably going to replace the battery because after all this, it's going to be a bit of a dead battery in the end. Jackie boy, reverse that bass. Bye, Jackie boy. You can't exactly reverse that thing quite either. Just picked his BMW up, so he's off. Ooh, that's shiny. Shiny. That wasn't shiny though. Don't walk in front of my camera shot, Jack. Shiny. What? What? I beg your pardon, son. Jack? Are you my dad?
What?
Are you my dad?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What?
Jack. Hello. It's me. The R-U-S-T-Y-P-H-A-T. Hey! You're doing your toenails again.
No, I didn't bother this fucker.
Oh dear, it looks so much better though in there, Jack. So much better.
What?
That disc.
Oh no.
Looks so much better.
And?
New caliper that fits for once. New caliper, new pads, new disc. And now Jack's doing the other side. Connor's repping the hat, aren't you?
Riz.
The Riz hat. Show him.
Riz life.
Show him. Link in description, guys. Right, so we've got Connor in driver's seat. Jack's going to bleed the brakes, and Connor's going to assist. Are you going to do a better job than George this time?
No.
Are you pumping? Oh, here it comes. There we go. It does sound like you're having a wee, doesn't it?
Does the brake pedal feel good? Yeah.
You're just saying that, aren't you? Feel normal?
Yeah.
It's alright then. You done good. You done good, Connor.
You done better than George.
Come on, let's be having you, son.
Accomplished.
That's it.
Fully qualified mechanic, bitch.
Question is, have you seen any Easter eggs in this video yet?
Mr. 4.
Stop joking, Jack. People actually want to know what exhaust you've got. What you got?
Shooter.
Pea shoot? No. What? What you actually got?
It's stock, bro.
What?
Pure stock. 3-inch Cobra, turbo back, double D cap, non-res.
So there you go, people that keep asking. Now you know.
Show 'em.
Shall we show him? Shall we show him?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show him. Take your reverse off. See ya, Cobra. Oh. Down to the front. As I was saying, Cobra all the way down to the front. Connor, don't you dare! Little shit.
There you go. There you go. What is it? Smoking.
Jack, you blew it up.
Oh shit.
Alright, so Jack's car's now done. He can finally use his handbrake. Are you happy, Jack?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do now is going to bring my VXR in because we've got a bit of an issue on the front end,
Yeah,
which we
it's a
think
VXR.
yeah, it is a VXR. No, nothing wrong with VXR. Jack did not just kick his VXR. Maybe he did just pick his tracks up. But we've got an issue with one of my coilovers. I think the camber's gone in on one side, so we're going to jack it up and just find out. Jack, get away from the camera.
You can't see anyway.
Hey?
Can't see anyway.
The green looks so good in this light. No problems. We've just got to check the camber now. Connor's going to try and put an air filter on his little Mito.
Connor can put an air filter.
Sat here, look. You'll see what that thing sounds like. It's a 1 litre turbo as well, isn't it? So you'll actually get the turbo sound a little bit as well. So we'll see. It was on a camber, so Jack's just going to show you where it was sat and then where it should be. See that? Big difference. So we're just going to pull it back out, tighten everything back up, and that should solve the issue. I was a little bit lower on one side, so obviously sorting this issue is going to help out. Look at the size of the filter. It's ginormous. I'm standing here because it wins. Wheels going back on, camber sorted. Sits a lot better now, you can see there. Happy days. Connor, what you done with your air filter?
Fucked it.
It's took it back off. So it's not very often I'm in the back of a car, but I'm in the back of Jack's car because Connor's going to go and do a video on it on his channel. If you want to go and check him out, link in description. I'm actually going to shout him out. Connor, you'll be thankful one day. But yeah, he's going to do a review on Jack's car. Well, not a review, just a bit of a video and montage and such on it. There's no point me doing one on Jack's car because it's on the channel all the time anyway. But I will be doing one on the car when we've got it to 450 brake.
Plus.
Yeah, won't we, Jack?
Yeah.
You ready? For those of you that's not sure, we are going to be getting his car to 450 brake plus. It's why we've not done that much content on his car. So that is coming. We are going to buy a separate engine and do that separate. So if you are into all that sort of stuff, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button as well to see that later on down the line.
Thank God.
We're not going to work on the 350 because it's getting a bit late. Connor's just editing the video that you just saw. You've seen a few shots of me taking a few bits of Jack's car. Like I said, there's no point me doing a review on his car because it's on the channel anyway.
Do a review on it when it's done.
Yeah, we are going to do a review on it when it's done. As we touched on, it's going to be around 450 brake plus.
Minimum 450 I want.
Yeah, so that's going to be a good build. You're going to see that on this channel as well, so just remember that. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see that. We're not forgetting the original roots of this channel, which was the VXR, because that's how it was basically started. We are going to, like I said, progress that car as far as we can. We're going to be doing the build ourselves. We're going to be forging it and everything else as much as we can. And yeah, it's going to be a great process. There's a lot along with this as well, and bits to my car, and you know, Fiesta project, and maybe some other projects that we've got lined up.
Me too.
We're not saying we're not saying anything, but yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you found that Easter egg in this video, and know if Jack did fart in this video, it wasn't any of them. So don't timestamp his fart.
The fart is just there.
That just comes natural with Jack. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Part of the package.
Part of the package?
The fart.
Really?
Yeah. So I've just done another, and Colin's going to smell it in a minute.